I am very happy to be here this morning with you for the inauguration of American Business Center at Trivandrum. As I express my thanks to the Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry who took the initiative to start this business center in Trivandrum and Kochi. The American Business Center program in South India aims to raise the visibility of the foreign commercial service in India's booming Tier 2 towns that pulse with untapped commercial opportunities. This initiative by Foreign Commercial Service aims to reach out to the business community in Tier 2 cities where foreign commercial service does not have a physical presence. This is accomplished by partnering with the local chambers of commerce throughout South India to make connecting with the US as easy as ABC. The goal of the program is to connect Tier 2 cities with US exporters and to encourage the local chambers of commerce and their members regarding doing business with and investing in the United States. I am told that the ABC offers opportunities to Indian importers in these cities to learn about foreign commercial services and programs. The ABC concept is a great platform to reach out to potential buyers in Tier 2 cities and supports the International Trade Administration's growth in emerging metropolitan sectors initiative as well as the National Export Initiative. I am sure that this is a good beginning. This is a good start. I am told that tomorrow they are going to open the American Business Center at Kochi. I offer full support from the government of Kerala for this initiative. With these words, I declare the American Business Corner is open.